right now, I believe there are 5,000 cryptocurrencies that are available as of now. जो तुम ट्रेड कर सकते हो, एक्सचेंज कर सकते हो on, and there are platforms. So एक बार ही थोड़ा exchanges के बारे में बात करते हैं. So what all exchanges that you know of when it comes to Bitcoin transactions?
See, in India that I've been using like WazirX and everything, WazirX, CoinDX, CoinSwitch. So these are the three apps that I have been using.
Okay.
But in abroad, I think Coinbase, Binance, like those like two biggest one out there.
So Coinbase actually did their IPO last year, or they actually got to a market cap of $100 billion. So there is a lot of potential when people talk about that company. Even though उनका stock price थोड़ा सा भी down चल रहा है, but again पूरी US economy down है, so you cannot blame it on a very single stock. Binance,
For sure.
Binance का founder, if you actually remember, he got famous a few days back that he was traveling a lot with Jackie Shroff. No, Sanjay Dutt. Sanjay Dutt. He was actually traveling a lot with Sanjay Dutt, and he has actually become much more richer than Mukesh Ambani and Gautam Adani, both of the richest men that we have in India and in Asia. So this tells you about the power of either you can say cryptocurrency, yeah, you can call it ki jo hai, the trust that people have in cryptocurrency.
Yeah, trust, delusion, it can be anything, but yeah, there is something for sure.
So coming back to India, so even I'm aware of these three exchanges primarily as well. So CoinDCX है, CoinSwitch है, and then there is WazirX. इसके अलावा there are a couple of exchanges, but they are not as big because in terms of जितनी funding मिली हुई है और companies के comparison में, these are the ones that are heavily focused on their marketing. पूरा IPL के campaigns इनके चलते हैं, पूरा cricket campaigns Hotstar पे marketing ads हैं. And influencers are also marketing. So Tanmay Bhatt, I think, promotes CoinDCX. What influencer do you follow when it comes to finance?
See, I don't think I usually follow like Indian people in terms of financial literacy and everything. I usually go for like people who are like US based, like most likely, especially in crypto, because I think crypto is in still nascent stage in India. Though India is like one of the biggest holder for sure, but I don't think there is like any big crypto players, like crypto influencers in India who are like, I'm investing this much, this much, this much. At least not in the public eye.
Where even I agree to that. So most of the people that India is still in very nascent state in financial literacy itself. So like there are folks who are going to talk about finance. There are many influencers who will talk about stocks, and they say that what 10% or 5 to 10% of my allocation is also in Bitcoin, but I'm not going to make any kind of recommendation. Most of them are like that because they understand that even they don't know a lot about the technology and the back-end processes of it. और उसको वो भी सीख रहे हैं. So it actually tells you कि ना एक तो पहले humble रहना, थोड़ा सा सीखो. मतलब थोड़ा सा मैं tangent में चला गया, but essentially point ये है कि ना थोड़ा सा सीखो कि ना हमें भी अभी कुछ सीखना है. So एक ऐसा attitude life में होना चाहिए. So my attitude when it comes to Bitcoin and all these cryptocurrency is that first you need to actually learn कि वो कर क्या रही हैं currencies, उनका purpose क्या solve हो रहा है, उनकी intrinsic value कहाँ से आती है, and then you decide कि ठीक है, okay, I want to invest कि जो है ना Bitcoin में पैसा डाल दिया या मैंने पैसा डाल दिया in Ethereum. That should be your purpose. And again, it's just an opinion. What's your take?
See, for me, it's like mainly not just like उनकी how is the intrinsic values coming from, mainly कि उनकी application क्या है, तभी उनकी आगे जाके डिमांड होगी. अगर डिमांड होगी then obviously the value will go up. So example, Ethereum, Solana, these are the two that are like primarily based in like purchasing NFTs. So I love these, and you can see in past a year, couple of years, they both have risen like astronomically. दोनों का like Ethereum as well as Solana. While Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin अच्छा है for sure, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Bitcoin, people are trying to like push Bitcoins towards like a legal tender, like purchasing like Salvador में हुआ है जैसे कि they like using it as a proper legal tender right now over there.
Okay.
So I think yeah, application of that particular crypto is what interests me like mainly.
So अभी आज 6 February है, and about I think it was 22 Jan this year only that crypto fell down by 50-60%. सारी की सारी market down थी. Bitcoin fell by 43%. If I'm not wrong, मतलब 60,000 50,000 की high से it actually went down to $30,000. इथीरियम का मेरे को प्राइस है INR में मेरे को पता है, सो इट वाज अप एट 2.5 लाख रुपीस, बट इट केम डाउन टू 1.8 लाख रुपीस. सोलाना वाज
Yeah, yeah,
अगेन
absolutely.
डॉलर्स में था, आई थिंक 107 $105 का था. इट केम डाउन टू 95 90 इवन $87 का वैल्यू चली गई. So my speculation behind that is कि एक तो रशिया that they decided that they are going to introduce their CBDC. CBDC are central bank digital currency. India is also working on it, जो उन्होंने बजट में रिलीज करा. And China has also said that they are going to, introduce their own CBDC, that is central bank digital currency. But मेरा उस पे ओपिनियन यहाँ पे ये है कि I think this defeats the whole purpose of cryptocurrency in itself. क्योंकि क्या है?
Exactly, yeah.
हाँ, क्योंकि इसका जो बिहाइंड जो आइडिया है वो तो डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन है कि किसी एक बंदे के पास पावर नहीं होनी चाहिए. बट वहीं पे अगर तुम इसे सेंट्रलाइज बना देते हो तो क्या होगा कि तुम्हारे आधार कार्ड से अगर तुमने लिंक कर दिया ये जो डिजिटल रुपी है, तो गवर्नमेंट को सारा आइडिया कि तुमने किस चीज में पैसा खर्च करा है, किस में नहीं खर्च करा, और तुम्हारी जो आइडेंटिटी है वो भी एनोनिमस नहीं रही. सो डू यू थिंक दैट गवर्नमेंट इज ट्राइंग टू एक्चुअली कंट्रोल एज अ टोटलिटेरियन entity with crypto because they don't
See, I
understand it
think
very well?
See, I think they are like simply afraid and scared of like what